Hi everyone, welcome to Pro Football DNA. I'm Janesy, and today I just want to talk a little bit about the brain. I've been doing a little bit of reading around this subject and looking on social media and how there seems to be a bit of a misconception around the left and right-handed side of the brain, and I just wanted to kind of open it up for discussion within you guys in the community and just really find out what you guys are thinking. As a teacher, coach, mentor, and working with our students, obviously it's important that we get to know who our students are, what their passions are in terms of trying to reach their goals, and this whole idea of the left-handed side brain being the analytical, the scientific kind of logical side, and the right-hand side of the brain being the kind of passionate, the creative side, the divergent thinking side of the brain. And I was thinking, oh, don't we just use the whole brain? And we may be leading to one side or the other in terms of how we think and learn, but really I think the brain works interdependently, and it needs we need both sides of the brain and sometimes we need to be logical and analytical, and sometimes we need to be creative and passionate and divergent. So as a teacher and a coach, we need to be encouraging all our students and players to be using the whole brain. We're all brain. We're not just left-sided and right-sided. That notion of we're one or the other, that may be holding us back in terms of reaching our goals and being successful. Great people use the whole brain. It works interdependently. So that the message today, are we developing the whole brain, or are we holding each other back or holding our students back by identifying them and compartmentalizing them in terms of you are right-sided, you are left-sided? Let's get dirty and let's think about the whole brain. Are we developing that, providing opportunities to think and learn around left and right-sided brain? Hey, I've been Janesy. Lovely to connecting with you. You can always link with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram. We have our YouTube page. Come and sign up. Come and subscribe. Love to find out what you're thinking around the brain. And how we're kind of making steps to making sure that our students and our players are reaching their goals. Sign them out, Janesy. I've been Janesy. Lovely to connect. I'm off to the gym. I'll see you later, guys. Be good. See you later.